Good afternoon, everyone. I am Mitesh Sachdeva, Assistant Professor at Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Indore. Today we are starting, in this video lecture series, we are starting with a new drug, that is promethazine hydrochloride, which is taken from the fifth semester syllabus, Medicinal Chemistry 2nd. So when I am saying that it is a promethazine hydrochloride, first here I am going to give an introduction. Promethazine hydrochloride is a highly sedative H1 antihistaminic agent. It is a phenothiazine derivative. The basic ring which is present in this drug is a phenothiazine ring which gives the antihistaminic activity. It also, other than antihistaminic activity, it also shows various pharmacological actions, which is anti-allergic, CNS depression, anti-muscarinic actions. Now come to the main part of this video lecture series, that is the preparation or synthesis of promethazine hydrochloride. Here when we start the reaction, we see there is a precursor in the reaction mechanism. So the precursor is phenothiazine. Either you take phenothiazine, or we can first make this phenothiazine from diphenylamine compound. So this is 2-phenyl group, so we can say diphenyl, and it is attached with an amino group, so we are saying that diphenyl amino group. This diphenylamine react with sulfur. It undergoes fusion reaction with sulfur in the presence of aluminium chloride. Here the reaction takes place in the presence of aluminium chloride, and we will get a new compound, that is phenothiazine ring. Now what is this phenothiazine? When we see the phenothiazine ring, it is a tricyclic ring structure. It consists of 3 cyclic structures, 1, 2 and 3. Here the center ring is a heterocyclic ring which consists of a thio group. It consists of a thio group and a nitrogen group, so we are saying it as thiazine. Now this thiazine ring is attached from both the sides with 2 phenyl groups, and therefore the new compound which is prepared is called as phenothiazine. It is called as phenothiazine, and in short we can write it as PTZ, phenothiazine. Now here the phenothiazine reacts with 1-chloro-2-methylamine, 1-chloro-2-methyl-diamine. So here phenothiazine and 1-chloro-2-methyl-diamine reacts in the presence of toluene, and sodium amide is used to increase the reaction. Here HCl is separated out, chlorine from the 1-chloro-diphenylamine, and hydrogen is separated from phenothiazine. So HCl is separated out, and we will get the drug promethazine. And if we want to prepare a salt, that is hydrochloride salt, we will simply react this promethazine with HCl to get the salt, that is promethazine hydrochloride. So this is the uses of promethazine. It is an antihistaminic agent with some anti-muscarinic, anti-emetic and local anesthetic properties. It also shows the allergies, anxiety prior to surgery. It is used as an anti-nauseant in pregnancy, and for the control of motion sickness. It is also used in the morning sickness. This is the few important points for promethazine hydrochloride. The mechanism is it blocks H1 receptor, so it is also called as H1 receptor antagonist, and thus it stops or blocks the activity of histamine. Indication: it is used for nausea and vomiting, motion sickness, sedation for patients, and in labor. Contraindications: it is contraindicated in COSMA, central nervous system depression. It is not used with alcohols, barbiturates or narcotics. There are few adverse reactions of this drug: headache, dizziness, drowsiness, confusion, restless, wheezing. It is a pregnancy safety category C drug, means it will be given during the first and third trimester of pregnancy. It is used in convulsions and sudden deaths when used with children. Thank you. If you like the video, please like, share and comment on the video.